Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am explaining very important topic of aptitude, that is finding a square root of any given number. So here we are explaining three important method for finding a square root of any number. So here we have written four questions, that is 2025, 2025, 1764, 512 and 1024. So we will solve this all four questions by all the three methods, that is factor method, division method and guess method. Okay, let us see the first part. So the first part is what? That is 2025, and we have to find a square root of this number. First we are explaining this square root by factor method. So what is factor method? See, this is factor method. First to make factor of the given number. So here given number is 2025. Okay, so we are making factor. So this is unit is 5. So this number will be divisible by 5. So first we are dividing this number by 5. 5 4 are 20. Now mostly students do mistake here. 5 4 are 20 and they write 5 5 are 25. This is wrong. 5 4 are 20. We can take only one digit 2, which is less than 5. So we need 5 also. So first you put here 0. Now this is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again unit is 5. So again divide this number by 5. So this is 5 8 are 40, 5 1 are 5. You know well 81, 9 9 are 81. So you can use 9 9 are 81. 9 1 are 9. So we can write here this is 2025. So 2025 we are finding a square. So 2025 factor is 5 multiply 5 multiply 9 multiply 9, and this is under rule. Now rule is what? Just to make pair of 2 first. So this is the one pair of 2 5 and this is second pair of 2 9. So we can write this one pair give only 1 5 and second pair give only 1 9. So 5 9 are 45. So our correct answer is what? 45. So right answer of first part is 45. So simple technique and simple rule is what? That is basic rule. You first you make factor and after that make pair of these factor. So 2 times digit give only 1. So 5 into 5 2 times give 1 5. 2 times 9 is 9. So 5 9 are 45 is our correct answer. Now see second part. So my second part, that is B question, is what? 1764. Right? So we are finding a square root of this number. So again find factor of this number 1764. So here 4. So you can go 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. 2 2 are 4. Again from 2 4 are 2 1. This is 4 4 1. Now it is not divisible by 2. This unit is 1. So you can try for 3. So it will be divisible by 3. 3 1 are 3. 1 remainder 14. 3 4 are 12. 2 remainder 21. Again this is 3 4 are 12. 2 remainder 27. So 3 9. Again this is 7 7 are 49. Now we can write here factor is what? 2 2 times and then 3 2 times and then 7 into 7. So here 2 times 2 1 pair, 2 times 3 second pair and this is 2 times 7 third pair. So this 2 times 2 will give 1 2, 1 3 and 1 7. So we will get what? 3 2 are 6, 7 are 42. So our correct answer is what? 42. So 42 is our right answer for the second part. So square root of 1764 is what? 42 is our right answer. Now see the third part. So again C part we are solving by the same factor method. This is 512 and we are finding a square. So first make factor of 512. So unit derivative 2, so it is divisible by 2. So this is 2 2 are 4, 1 remainder, so this is 111. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Again this is 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. Again this is 2 6 are 12, 64. Again this is 32. Again this is 16. Again this is 8. Again 4. And this is 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. So now you can write this factor. So how many times? 3 3 6 9 times 2. So 2 2 2 2 2. So this is 6 times. So we have to write 9 times. 3 6 9. Right? Now we have to make pair of 2. So this is one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. These two have no pair. So no problem. These 2 times 2 give 1 2. These 2 times 2 give 1 2. These 2 times 2 give 1 2. And this 2 times 2 give 1 2. And this 2 is single, no pair. So it will remain under root. So this is 2. So we will get 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16. So our correct answer is what? 16 root 2. So in factor method, first you make factor, make pair, and then digit or number which have no pair, it will remain in the root under. So correct answer is what? 16 root 2 is our right answer. Now see the fourth part, that is the D. So D part is what? 1024. So we are finding a square root of 1024. So simple technique is what? First you make factor. So 102 factor. So this is 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again this is 2 2s are 4, 1 2 5s are 10, 6. Again this is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again this is 2 6 are 4, 2 4s are 8. And again this 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. This is what? 16. This is what? 8. This is what? 4 and this is 2. So how many times 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 times 2. So write here 10 times 2. So here 10 times 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make pair of 2. So one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair and 5 pair. So first pair will give 1, 2, second pair 1, 2, third pair 1, 2, fourth pair 1, 2 and fifth pair 1, 2. So 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. In this way we have solved all the 4 questions by the factor method. Okay. Now we are dealing every question by the second method, that is called division method. So now we are explaining division method. So first question is our 2025 finding a square by division method. So what is the division method? See, very easy method, and we can find a square root of the any number. Maybe perfect square or maybe not perfect square. Any number we can find a square root by division method. So this is 2025. First to make pair from the right side. So this is the first pair, this is the second pair. So first pair is what? 22. Now check counting. Same number multiply same number and check it come 22 or slightly less, not greater. So 4 4 are 16 and 5 5s are 25. 25 is greater than 20. So come down. We will take 4 4 are 16. So we will write here 4 and 4 into 4. Here 4 and 4 into 4 is what? 16. 4 4 4. Now add this number, you will get 8. And subtract this number, you will get what? 4. And now second pair is what? 25. Now the next step is what? Here 5. So check what number we keep so that unit digit come 5. So you know 5 into 5, 25. You will check by 5. So if you take by 5, so write here 5 and multiply this number 5. So write here also 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s are 40, 42. Now add this number 90 and subtract this number, it is cancel out. So our correct answer is what? 45 is our right answer. In this way we can find any square root by division method. First make pair of 2 from the right side and then start from left. Okay. Now I am solving the second part also by same division method. Let us see. So the second question is what? 1764. So first you write 1764 and make pair from right side. So this is the pair. First pair from this word 17. Again same rule, multiply same number by same and check which number gives 17. If not 17, then slightly less. So again 4 4 are 16 and 5 5 are 25. So we will take what? 4. So we will write here 4 and here also 4. And now 4 4 are 16. Add this number, subtract this number, you will get what? 164. Now here 4. So we will check by 2 because 2 2s are 4. So when we go for 2, so this is 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So we write here 2. Now last step, add this number, subtract this number. So my correct answer is what? 42. This 42 is our right answer. In the same way we can solve the third part also. So third part is, that is the C part is what? 512. Okay. And now you see, again make pair first number and second number. So here 5 is given. So again same, you can say the technique, same steps, same number multiple. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 9 is greater than 5. So come down, take 2. So 2 2s are 4. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. And write here 4. So this is 4, this is 1. So this is 112. Now you will check which number we give. So we are checking, suppose this is 11. So 3 3s are 3. So this is 4 3 and multiply the first checking. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 2. It is greater. So don't go for 3, go for 2. So this is 2, this is 2 and this is also 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 2 2, 4 and 4. It is 12 minus 4, 8, 10 minus 8, 2. That is 28. Now this is 44 and this is less 28. So we will take decimal. So here decimal and here 2 times 0. Now you check which number we give. So again we are checking. So 6 4s are 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24, 3 27. 6 4s are 24, 3 27. And 7 4s are 20 greater. So go for 6. So this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. So 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24, 3 27. And 6 4s are 24 to 26. So 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 4s are 24, 3 27, carry 2. And this is 26. So now add this number 12, 5, 4. And subtract this number 4, 9 minus 7, 2. And this is 7 minus 6, 1. So our correct answer is what? 22.6 is our right answer. In the same way we can solve D option also. Now the third method, that is called tricky method or guess method. So now you see trick method. So trick method is what? So first question is 2025. Okay, and we are finding a square root of this number. So for a square root of this number, what is the simple technique is what? First you check from the last two digits, 25. And now see what is the unit digit? 5. So which number give you 5? So only 5 can give you 5. 5 square 25. So we will write here 5. Now remaining number is what? 20. So again, same number square, same number, the product should be less than 20, not greater. So 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25. So that is 45 is our right answer. Now see the second question by this trick method. 1764 we are finding a square. So again same trick here, 2 digit. So unit digit is what? 4. So unit digit is 4. So which number give you 4? Either 2, either 8. 2 square 4, 8 square 64. Here 17. 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25 greater. So we take 4. So here 4 and here 4. So here two options. Which number is our answer? So here 4 4 are 16 and 5 5 are 25. So 16 near to 17. So my answer will be a smaller one. So a smaller one is what? 42. So our correct answer is what? 42. By tricky method or guess method, we can find answer only for those number which is a perfect square. 5, 1, 2 is not perfect square, so we are not solving this question by guess method. Now the last question, that is the D, is what? 1024, we are finding a square root. So here 2, 4, right? And unit digit is what? 4. So either unit is 2 or either unit is 8. Now this is 10. So 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Greater, so go for 3. So this is 32 and 38. So 9 is nearest to 10. So a smaller number is near to 10. So smaller is our answer. So correct answer is what? 32. In this way we have solved every question by the 3 method. Factor method, division method and guess method. Thank you. Okay, how much minute?